Assalamu Aleikum, my lovely friends and family. Welcome back to Iwan's Healthy Eating Kitchen. Today, Bihidinillahi Tahaallah, I'm going to be showing you how to make ginger powder. Also, while making this powder, I will also be sharing with you some health benefits of ginger. The first thing to do is to clean the ginger. I'm very sorry I don't have the video on how that was done, but I'm very sure that should not be a problem. After I finish cleaning the ginger, the next thing to do is to slice it to be very thin. Alhamdulillah, for the magic mix food processor. So I'm going to be using it to slice the ginger. Alhamdulillah, this is the end result of the ginger. So next thing is to arrange it into the food dehydrator. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can use your oven, but you have to reduce the heat to the minimum. You can also use the sun to dry the ginger. Anyway, while the arranging and the drying is going on, let's talk about the health benefits of ginger. Ginger is one of the most familiar natural healing ingredients you can ever find. It was first discovered in China. It is a root vegetable and can be used for different purposes. Most especially, people use it as a spice by adding it to different type of meal. One of the most effective use of ginger is that it can be used to treat common cold and flu. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help in preventing or fighting infection or illness that may be of a threat to our immune system. Do you know that food that are high in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds can play a vital role in helping the body to reduce swelling and prevent the spreading of serious illness like cancer or heart disease? No wonder why a lot of health professionals will encourage you to add ginger to your diet. Having said that, please cross-check with your health provider. Alhamdulillah, I finished arranging the ginger and it's going to be dehydrated overnight. This is the result the following morning. As you can see, it is all dried. So I'm going to pack it off to be blended while we continue talking about this special spice. I also want you to know that ginger provides a lot of whitening benefits, and one of them is that it can brighten your smile. Did you just hear me say that? Yes, so the reason for this is that its antibacterial properties help to reduce plaque and bacteria build up in our tooth and gums. The key oral benefits of ginger are multifold, and one of them is that it is of great benefit for keeping healthy teeth and gums because it strengthens your gum tissue. It protects you from serious oral infections and disease. It also protects you from oral cancer. So my dear sisters and brothers, if you want to improve on your smile, do add ginger to your diet. Having said that, I want you to know that ginger is not for everyone because of some of the side effects that it may have. Although this spice is considered to be safe for both adults and children, but some people may experience some mild side effects like stomach upset, heartburn, diarrhea, and it can increase stomach gas that can make you bloated. It will also be advisable for people who may have gallbladder disease to avoid it because it increases the production of bile. Having said all this, I would love you to do your research so that you can be guided and informed. Remember, health is wealth. Alhamdulillah, ala kulli ni'mat. Our ginger powder is ready. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. If you do, kindly share, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to put on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lots of love. Iwan.